Okay, quick video on how to update your day rate in MFP. So I've logged into MFP and now I navigate to inventory management. Where is it? There it is. Then from inventory management, you come over here and click what looks like an Excel spreadsheet with a little G next to it. If you want more information on those, click this button up here and you click ground data. From ground data, you go down and you click ships, and then you find your ship. So if I want to update the Sikuliak's day rate, I click Sikuliak, and you'll notice a bunch of tabs across the top here. You should be able to edit any of those tabs and any of the information in that tabs. The one we're looking for right now to update the day rate is called costings. And then you add your day rates in here. This is based on another institution, so it doesn't make as much sense to us, but what you would do is simply use the same day rate for barter, commercial, and internal, unless you do have different day rates for commercial. Otherwise, you can update things like fuel burn, which we aren't fully using yet, life rafts, cabins. These are more associated with when you're assigning bunks through MFP. Most of you are not doing that. Deck plans, these are simply just uploaded information which your cruise planners already know about, and then general information is things you can add about your ship. Okay, that's it, and if you don't have access, give me a call.